Most beginners look at the market without understanding what the candlesticks are saying. But in a real sense, candlesticks pattern are actually the visual representation of what is going on in the market. They are not just lines in the market or the lines in the chart. They are graphical representation of what is going on in the market. So once you learn these few candlesticks pattern I want to mention or to share with you, you are going to start seeing the market in different way. You're going to start understanding the market. So here are the candlesticks patterns that you need to start looking out for in the market. The number one candlestick pattern we are going to talk about today is morning star candle. Morning star candle is a combination of three candlesticks. You need to see a long body of a bearish candle with a short body of a bullish below and a long body of a bullish candle that engulf the other candle. So whenever you see this candle call morning star in a key level, it signifies buy. Now the second candle we are going to talk about is an evening star candlesticks pattern. This is a combination of three candlesticks pattern. So you need to see a long body of a bullish candle and a short body of a bearish candle above, and also a long body of a bearish candle engulfing the other candle. And you see this at maybe a key level, also at a resistance level, it signifies sell. Now another candlesticks pattern you need to know, very much important, is what is called tweezer top. Tweezer top is a combination of two candlesticks. You need to see a bullish and a bearish candle in an equal open and closing time. What does it mean? These two candlesticks forms together. You will see the open and the closing time at the same time. They are open at the same time, they close at the same time. So you will see this at the key level and it signifies sell. Whenever you see these candlesticks, maybe in your resistance level, it signifies sell. It means that buyers are losing control, that sellers are about to take over the market. So these candlesticks work so effectively. Anytime you see it, 90% of the time it's used to play out very well before you see the market reversing to the opposite direction, because it was buying already. For that candlestick to set in at that key level, it means that sellers are taking control of the market. So it is called tweezer top. The next candlesticks we are going to talk about is called the tweezer bottom. Tweezer bottom is a combination of two candlesticks pattern. You need to see a bearish and a bullish candlestick in an equal open and closing price. So these two candles form in a support level. When they form in the support level, it means that sellers are losing control, that buyers are about to take control of the market. And whenever you see this candle, two candles, they have bearish and a bullish, they come together, they have almost equal open and closing time. They open and close at the same time. So whenever you see this candle in a support level, it means that buyers are taking control of the market. So it signifies buy. Another candlesticks we are going to talk about, it talks about the engulfing candles, right? You have the bullish and the bearish engulfing. So it is a combination of two candlesticks. In a bullish engulfing, you see a small body of a bearish candle and then a long body of a bullish candle engulfing the whole body of that bearish candle. So the bearish candle needs to be small, then the big candle will be kind of big, engulfing the whole candle. So it is called a bullish engulfing and it signifies buy. So whenever you see these candlesticks in a key level in a support zone, it means that sellers are losing control, that buyers are stepping in to take control of the market. Now the next candle you are going to talk about, we talks about the bearish engulfing. In this bearish engulfing is made up of two candles as well, made up of bearish and bullish candle. So in this one, you're going to see a bullish candle and also a bearish candle engulfing the whole of that bullish candle. So it signifies sell. It means that sellers are coming over to the market and buyers are losing control. They are losing the momentum, and you see a bearish candle, very big bearish candle, engulfing the whole body of that bullish candle. So it signifies sell. The next candle we are going to talk about is doji candle. The doji candle is made up of a long wick above and a long wick below, and kind of faded body in the middle, like kind of cross. You see something like a cross. a long wick above and a long wick below, and a faded body at the middle. It signifies indecision. It means that neither the buyers nor the sellers are in control of the market. Now, after that particular candle, the next one that is going to form will determine the direction of the market, whether it's going to be bullish or it's going to be bearish. Now, doji is of two types. They have the buying form of doji and the selling form of doji. The two types of doji candle are, number one, we have gravestone doji and the dragonfly doji. Now, dragonfly doji is a candlestick pattern that you need to see a long wick below and a faded body above. Long wick below and a faded body above. So it signifies buy. So whenever you see this in a key level, in a support zone, and you see it like kind of long wick above and a faded body above, it means that, you know, buyers are coming to push price up, that the momentum is about to start going up. That means buyers are taking control of the market. So that is for gravestone doji. Sorry, dragonfly doji. In a gravestone doji, that is the bearish one, you need to see a long wick above and a faded body below. So it will be like kind of like this, long wick above and a faded body below. So it signifies sell. That means the selling pressure is getting higher. Sellers are coming to push the price up. No, so for example, now after the formation of the doji, which is indecision candle, and then another candle that forms becomes a dragonfly doji, or the candle that form at that key level is a dragonfly doji. That means it have long wick below and a faded body above. It signifies that buyers are taking control of the market. Then if it is gravestone doji, that means it have long wick above, then a faded body below, which means that sellers are taking control of the market. Then I talk of tweezer top and tweezer bottom. Tweezer top, you need to see what? You need to see a bullish candle and a bearish candle having equal open and closing place. Like they open and close at the same point. And if you see this candle at the key level, that is in a resistance level, you are certain that buyers are losing control of the market, that sellers want to come and take control of the market. So, but if you see tweezer top at the resistance level, sorry, at the support level, which means that buyers are losing, sellers are losing control, and buyers are coming in to take control of the market. Now I talk of stars candle. Stars candle, you have the morning stars and the evening stars. Morning stars signifies buy, while the evening stars signifies sell. So I'm going to put the example of the candles. If you see them, how to spot them and how you can know them and how it moves in the market. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Dube Monitors. I do educational content about forex trading, and for both beginners and advanced level. So please do well to hit the subscription button, like the video, and comment and tell me the candles, one of the candles that you usually use for your confirmation entries, one of these candles. And note, these candlesticks are not a strategy on its own. You can use it as your confirmation. After you do your analysis at the key level at your entry where you're expecting to enter the market from, then you spot these candles. That is when you take the advantage of it. Not that you don't do any analysis, you just see the candle, you say that the monitor say that it is, you have to buy or start selling. This is just an additional confluence for you, telling you that your zone is very much active, your zone is legit, that if you buy from that place or you sell from that place, the price is likely to go to your favor. So it is not a strategy to be left out. It's a confirmation entry. It's a confirmation, additional confirmation for you to trade more responsible. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have more video recommendation that you want me to do, please drop it in the comment section and drop the confirmation candle that you usually use so that other people will still learn from it. Thank you and remain blessed. See you on the next one. Bye.